Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been looking at the uses of ser as opposed to estar, and we've learned so far that we use ser to identify people and things, ser plus the preposition de to talk about origin, where someone is from. We also use ser plus the preposition de to express possession. In this lesson we are going to look at using ser to express someone's occupation. So the question, what is your profession, in Spanish is, ¿Cuál es su profesión? ¿Cuál es su profesión? Notice we're using ser here. ¿Cuál es su profesión? I'm a doctor. For a male, you would say, soy doctor. For a female, you would say, soy doctora. I'm a teacher. For a male, soy maestro. For a female, soy maestra. I'm a lawyer. Soy abogado, soy abogada. Notice here that in Spanish, we do not say a when expressing a profession. In other words, I wouldn't say soy un doctor or soy una doctora. To express your profession, you simply use the form of the verb ser and the profession, and that's it. The idea of a is understood. So, to say I am a doctor, you simply say I am doctor, soy doctor, or soy doctora. If I want to say he is a nurse, remember we don't translate the a, it's just understood. We would literally say he is nurse. So in Spanish that is, él es enfermero. Él es enfermero. Él es enfermero. She is a nurse. We literally say she is nurse. Ella es enfermera. Ella es enfermera. He is a teacher. We literally say he is teacher. Él es maestro. Él es maestro. Él es maestro. She is a teacher. Literally, she is teacher. Ella es maestra. In Spanish, if you add an adjective to the profession, then we will say a or an. So let's take a look at the examples. If I want to say he is an engineer, I would just simply say he is engineer. Él es ingeniero. Él es ingeniero. Él es ingeniero. But if I want to say he's an excellent engineer, then we include the indefinite article. So in this case, I would say, él es un ingeniero excelente. Él es un ingeniero excelente. Él es un ingeniero excelente. She is a doctor. We would literally say she is doctor. Ella es doctora. But if I want to say she's an excellent doctor, then I include the article. Ella es una doctora excelente. Ella es una doctora excelente. Ella es una doctora excelente. So remember, if you want to express someone's profession or occupation, use the verb ser. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.